Happy Friday, guys. It is April 24th, and we're going to start today by going over the hyperbole practice from yesterday. In this practice, you had to decide whether or not the sentence contained hyperbole. And remember, hyperbole is that over-exaggeration. So I ate 4 slices of pizza by myself. I'm actually going to say there's no hyperbole in that one, just because that is doable for some people. Okay. Now, if it had said the baby ate 4 slices or the toddler, I would say hyperbole there. Number 2, the muffler was so loud they could hear that car in China. I'm going to say hyperbole, definitely there. Number 3, her hair is so long she needs a hairbrush the size of a car. Hyperbole again, for sure. Help if I could spell it right. There we go. And then number 4, she is working on her computer. There's none in that one. Okay, so that was the practice page from yesterday. Today, you are going to have a hyperbole assignment. This assignment is very similar to the practice from yesterday. This time you just have to click whether it has a hyperbole or not. Okay, there are 5 questions. So click hyperbole if it has a hyperbole and none if it does not. Remember, hyperbole is that over-exaggeration, used to emphasize, make a point. Okay. Number the stars for today. You have chapter 12. You can either listen to the chapter or read it. And then you do have a set of questions for today. Okay, so we have a couple multiple choice and then a couple short answer. Okay, so that is Friday, April 24th. Okay, so you've got hyperbole assignment, read or listen to chapter 12, and then assignment for chapters 11 and 12. Just so you guys know, technically there wasn't supposed to be any school on Monday. It was supposed to be a teacher in-service or professional development day. So I will not be posting anything. Some of your classes might be, like a science class might, but I am not posting anything on Monday. So I will talk to you guys Tuesday. I'm hoping that you guys are staying safe. And again, send me any questions if you've got them. I really do miss you guys. Bye.